Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about canned meat. Now, those that have been watching this series from the beginning will be thinking, wait a minute, didn't you talk about that back in the beginning? Yeah, in episode number 4, I mentioned it. And just like water, I'm going to be mentioning this again, not every month, but every other month or so. Just to remind you, add more meat. It's protein. All right. Now, what type of meat am I talking about? All types of meat. If they can it and you like it, store it. Canned beef, canned chicken, canned ham. They actually can roast beef. They can cooked ground beef. They can salmon. They can shrimp. They can oysters. They can, like I said, any type of meat, they probably can it and you can get it. So whatever type of meat you like, get it. Oh, almost forgot. Tuna. Jeez, one of the biggest canned meats out there. Tuna. All right. And someone may be going, I don't like tuna. I don't like the smell and taste of it. That's what my daughter used to say growing up. Until finally she tried to fix it the way I do for a tuna fish sandwiches. And she goes, okay, it's not that bad. It doesn't stink anymore. So there you can learn to use canned meats in other ways than what you think. You add canned meat to a goulash, the smell's gone. I mean, it takes on all the flavorings of all the spices and everything else in there, so it doesn't taste like tuna. And yes, you can put tuna in a goulash. You can put turkey in a goulash. You know, you don't have to use meat for one specific thing only. You know, they're interchangeable in a lot of recipes. Remember those boxes that came out that said hamburger helper on there? And then all of a sudden they came out tuna helper and then chicken helper. The exact same things, but just putting different meat in it. You know, very smart marketing idea. They're selling you the same thing, but just changing the label on it. So, you know, think about that for your recipes. You can always interchange meats and it may taste a little bit different and it may be something enough different to break up the monotony in a end of the world situation where you're eating just off your supplies. All right. So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep on adding to your preps. Water, food, meats, medicines, meats, clothing, meats. Yeah, I'm harping on meats because that's what this one's about. Why do you want to have meat? Well, this is why.